Have you ever wondered why the moment you enter a breakout trade, the market snaps back and wipes you out? It feels personal. It feels cruel. But the truth is, it's not random. It's engineered. Breakouts are one of the oldest traps in financial history. They are designed, not for your success, but for your liquidation. Before we begin, let me thank every new subscriber who just joined Rise from Zero. And to all our returning subscribers, your loyalty means everything. This channel exists because you believe in truth, not illusions. Stay with me until the very end of this video. I promise you, what you discover here will completely reframe how you see the financial markets forever. Today's truth is about breakouts. Every trading course, every retail guide tells you to buy the breakout. Buy when price breaks resistance. Sell when it breaks support. But here's the fact. Institutions, banks, hedge funds, and professional traders created this narrative. Not because it works, but because it fails. The financial market ecosystem is designed around liquidity, and breakouts are liquidity magnets. Your stop loss, your buy order, your sell order, all become the liquidity fuel that smart money needs to move prices where it wants to go. At Rise from Zero, we don't deal in myths. We deal in facts. Facts that can change your trading journey and your financial future. Breakouts appear simple. A clean line. Price breaks it. You enter. But history shows otherwise. The 2008 financial crisis serves as a stark example. Traders believed in the breakout of various financial instruments. As markets tumbled, retail traders piled into breakout trades, hoping to catch the bottom. Institutions? They used those orders as liquidity, betting against the market. Major banks walked away with billions. Retail traders lost everything. This is the illusion. Breakouts are not confirmation. They are traps. Breakouts are bait. Institutions designed them for retail traders to bite. Thank you to our new subscribers. And to the returning ones, you are the backbone of Rise from Zero. Stay with us, because we are just getting started. Liquidity is everything. Without liquidity, institutions cannot move billions. So where do they find it? At breakout levels. When price pushes beyond support or resistance, retail traders enter. Stops cluster just beyond those levels. Institutions know it. They wait. They hunt. Example, in the Forex market, studies by the BIS, Bank for International Settlements, show daily turnover exceeding $6.6 trillion. Institutions need retail orders as fuel, and breakout traders provide that fuel every single day. Liquidity is harvested at breakouts. Your order is their entry. The stop hunt is the most brutal weapon of the smart money playbook. Price breaks resistance. You buy? Within seconds, the price reverses, taking out your stop. Why? Because your stop loss is not protection. It is liquidity. Every false breakout is a transfer. Money leaves the retail trader's pocket and enters the institutional book. Look at the NASDAQ futures. Countless times, before a major rally, price dips below support, clean stops, then explodes upward. That dip? It's not a weakness. It's a trap. False breakouts are engineered stop hunts. A designed wealth transfer. Thank you, returning subscribers. You know Rise from Zero stands for truth. And to new viewers, welcome. You are entering a deeper understanding of markets few ever see. Why do retail traders fall for breakouts? Because psychology tells them, if it breaks higher, it must continue higher. This belief is reinforced by textbooks, retail educators, and simplified charts. But institutions thrive on this psychology. They know fear and greed are predictable. Real-world example. In 2021, GameStop's stock price breakout. Retail rushed in. Within weeks, price dropped over 80%. Who profited? The institutions who sold into retail buying pressure. Retail psychology fuels the breakout trap. Institutions don't just wait. They create. They engineer breakouts through accumulation and distribution. Step 1. Accumulate positions quietly. Step 2. Drive price toward a key level. Step 3. Retail floods in. Step 4. Institutions reverse the market, harvesting liquidity. Case study. The 2020 oil price crash. Institutions accumulated positions against retail expectations. When oil futures turned negative, the breakout destroyed retail traders worldwide, while institutions reaped historic profits. Institutions design the trap. Retail provides the bait. How can you spot a breakout trap? Look for sharp, aggressive moves through key levels. Low-volume breakouts. Sudden reversals back into the range. Truth. Real moves are sustained. False moves are violent and short-lived. Recognition is your first defense. Retail trades breakouts. Smart money trades liquidity. Retail believes in patterns. Institutions believe in order flow. This is why 90% of retail traders lose. Not because they lack discipline, but because they are playing the wrong game. Trade like institutions. Focus on liquidity, not lines. Thank you again, subscribers. Your commitment is rare. And if you're new, welcome to Rise from Zero. What can you do differently? Stop chasing breakouts. Study liquidity zones. Wait for traps to spring, then trade in the opposite direction. Think like a predator, not prey. Example, when gold fakes a breakout upward, wait for the reversal. Enter short. Trade with institutions, not against them. Success is not avoiding traps. It's using them. Today, you've learned the real truth. Breakouts are not opportunities. They are engineered traps. Institutions design them. Retail traders feed them. And liquidity fuels the cycle. But knowledge changes everything. Once you see the trap, you can step aside, or even better, trade in alignment with the institutions who set it. Thank you for staying until the very end. Your dedication proves you're different. You're building strength, discipline, and understanding that most traders will never reach. At Rise from Zero, we don't chase illusions. We chase truth, results, and the future. If this video opened your eyes, subscribe now. Share it with someone who still believes in the breakout myth. Remember this, the next generation of traders will not be gamblers. They will be informed, strategic, and powerful. They will rise from nothing, armed with truth. And that is how you rise from zero.